Hello dear students, today we'll be dealing with the resume, how to write a resume. As I've always told you, it is never a resume, because when you call a resume is noun and resume is a verb, and resume is a noun, what we really have to do today. So first and foremost thing what you need to do is, when you get an answer sheet, make a margin around your answer sheet, and in the middle of that write resume. Then here you have to give your sender's address, then the date should be in this format, never in this format. This is very wrong. And now comes the receiver's address. Here you'll put on the receiver's address, whosoever the person is. And now we're starting with resume. Let me tell you, resume is basically of three kinds: chronological, functional and combinational. Chronological is the most recent, what is going on in your career, and the functional focuses on your experiences, and combinational is a combination of both. So after this receiver's address, by this side I have made a bracket so that you stick to the side. You don't need to move this side of the page. Your alignment should be proper. Never write in a ladder format. Ladder format is this one. Never do that. It is totally not acceptable. Next thing, receiver's address you mention. Suppose let me write first receiver's address. Now when you have to write career objective, suppose the address ends here. Says ABC person, XYZ place. Okay, it ends here. Now leave a space, I mean a line, and then write career objectives. You can write in capital, cursive or whatsoever, and just put your career objectives here. 2 lines, suppose this way it goes. Here, stick to this place only. Don't move either and either. Suppose it starts from here and it ends here. Leave a space. Then write personal information. Personal information. If you are willing to write personal information at the top, it's your choice. You can write after educational experiences or educational qualification or anything. Okay, so first, if you are putting personal information, then you can write your father's name. Suppose you start with your own name, age, marital status. Okay, your occupation of your parents. If you want to add, it is not necessarily required while you are writing. Now personal, after the personal information, leave a space and then write educational. Then we have to write educational. Okay, qualification. Qualification. After this, when this comes, make a small branching in brackets, and as I have told you in the class, still it is not actually required, but still I would go for mentioning your year of passing or whatsoever. And then go for writing your experience, skills, then your hobbies, and just leave a space. Don't just make it so much, haphazard. It's just something is here, something is there, and congested. Your page is yours, use it nicely. Then your hobbies, and then right at the end you need to write the declaration which I told you, and then you need to sign it up. What the name I have given, Sonal, I would sign it with the name of Sonal. So this is a very brief thing or a format for your resume. Stick to it. Don't go for flooding so much of the information that is not important from the examination point of view, or that is not required. Okay, so stick to it. Your alignment should be proper, spacing should be proper. You'll get marks for that. Okay, thank you.